Well, come on, little baby, I'm a headed into outer space. Yeah, come on, little baby, I'm a headed into outer space. I'm gonna leave this world and all of the human race. Now, come on, now, honey, don't you dare try to be late. Hurry up, baby, don't you dare try
Husky the news.
Across to New Orleans, way back up in the woods among the evergreens. There stood a log cabin made of earth and wood, where lived a country boy named Johnny B. Good, who never ever learned to read or write too well, but he could play a guitar just like a ringing a bell. Go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, go. Whoa, Johnny be good.